Hello everyone, let's try to solve another civil engineering MST board problem, and this is actually our board problem number 19. Let us now start solving a problem. Our MST board problem for today is under engineering data analysis, and it was given during the previous board exam, May 2015. So allow me to read the problem. Given the following data for a set of 9, we have the following numbers as 24, 26, 25, 26, 25, 28, 22, 29, and 24. So we have to determine the first quartile. And for the choices that we have in this given problem, A 6.36, B 4.93, C 5.48, and letter D we have 7.54. What do you think is the correct answer so that we can solve our first quartile? Let us now start solving the problem. For our first step, we need to calculate for the value of the mean. And the formula that we're going to use is mean equals summation x over n. And calculating for the mean value, we have 24 plus 26 plus 25 plus 26 plus 25 plus 28 plus 22 plus 29 plus 24 all over 9. What is then the value of our mean? The value of our mean is 25.44. And then afterward, after solving for the mean, we can then now calculate for the percentile. Let us now solve for the percentile. We are solving for the percentile because it is a requirement so that we can solve for the first quartile. Our percentile formula then is equal to mean over 100. Then let us do now the direct substitution, since we already have a value for our mean. In calculating for the percentile, we have 25.44 divided by 100, and then we have an answer of 0.2544. And then finally, we can solve now for our first quartile. And the formula that we may use in finding the value of our first quartile will be the 25% of our percentile value, or 0.25 times percentile. Finally, solving for our first quartile is equal to 0.25 times 0.2544. And our answer to this given board problem, our first quartile value is equal to 6.36, and that would be letter A. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.